Hey everybody, Emily Seagren here. I know I was gonna show you a simple way to share the Avon opportunity, and I talked too much and I forgot. So here I am. Hopefully it left you intrigued to watch the next video, and I'm gonna share with you how simple it is to bring Avon representatives into the business, bringing in friends, families, coworkers, people you meet at church. Think about all those networks that you belong to, where you share something in common. So I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I like marketing, I like social media, I like to travel. I can connect to people in all those different categories, even if we don't personally know each other. So get in the practice of adding contacts and marketing to them over time. Hopefully they'll eventually buy from you or sign up on your team. So recruiting needs to be a practice that we're doing every campaign. And I gotta tell ya, the sooner you start working it into your schedule, the easier it is for you. So when I decided, okay, I want to go on those trips and I want to earn an iPad and a TV and I want big bonus money. Okay, yes, I wanted all that stuff. So I had to be recruiting. So practicing it every day, sharing your business card, your brochure, connecting with new people on social media. Super important, okay? Because if you don't ask, someone else will. So I used to have this attitude, okay, well, why would I want to recruit my own competition? But then I opened my mind. I thought about how I could recruit through doing blogs and social media. And use my online marketing to build a team across the nation. And then it made a lot of sense to me. And then even locally, I said, okay, well, if I don't sign them up, someone else will. So I'm going to try this leadership thing. And I ended up falling in love with it. It has been the most emotionally rewarding, being able to help people join Avon and change their lives with the Avon opportunity. It's also been the most financially rewarding. So if you're wanting to earn those six figures, take free trips, be showered in gifts and bonuses, you got to be willing to put in the hard work, step outside of your comfort zone, but share your passion, share your rewards. It will attract people to you. What's happened with me is I've never really prospected friends or family. And now that I am successful, they're all kind of wishing that they started with me. So even though I don't try to push it, I do ask people to consider it because it opens their mind and gives them a little nugget. Okay, that maybe I should join Emily. Like, she's moving into a new house. She is, I bought a new car. It really can change your life. I think Rob will retire early because of my Avon business. So you can leave a legacy for your children. We're talking a residual income. So currently, my leadership checks are almost $10,000 a month. And that's money that's going to keep coming in even after I retire. So we can't look at the immediate benefits, but we need to look at the big picture, because then once you make it, it makes it all worth it. So instead of looking at the leadership chart, it is important to realize the opportunity that you have. So in the Kickstart program, you can earn that $50 per successful team member you sign up. The FedEx guy's dropping something off behind me here. Okay. It's working from home. I don't make excuses. I just work through it. So anyways, Isabel, no. Okay, so your bonus for them starting and being successful. Then when you reach these levels, there's huge bonus opportunities. So instead of being overwhelmed by the numbers and the percentage and all of the information, just focus on bringing people into your team. Every single campaign, the easiest way is to get on to Avon Social, go to your content planner, scroll down to find recruiting images, recognition posts. So you really want to be asking every day, who wants to join my team? Who wants to change their life? You'll always have people around you being negative, especially when you change your habits and your outlook on life. Some people have a hard time being happy for you. So don't let that bring you down or affect you personally. Just keep asking, because at the end of the day, I care most about the immediate people around me. I used to worry what people thought. I don't do that anymore. I want to live an intentional life and help people change and transform their lives with the Avon opportunity. So here you can come in, you can connect directly to Avon Social so that you can post to your social media. Or you can download the image and share it yourself. So we want to think about all the ways we can invite people into the business. So we want to do that with paper materials and with our online materials. So you always want to be saying to buy or sell Avon. You always want to put that thought in their mind, because you're already spending your time marketing to them. Also offer the Avon opportunity as you start living a better lifestyle, thanks to all of the cool things that come with building an Avon team. That will act as a recruiting tool for you, and you'll have people asking you how to join. It happens to me a lot these days. So keep with it, stay consistent. The grass isn't greener on the other side. So don't give up on your Avon business. Just keep trying until you figure out what makes you happy and what helps you make the most money, change your family's lives, change the lives of the men and women that you bring into the company. Avon is supporting the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer with the American Cancer Society. So not only can you service your customers, you can get involved and share products that are going to make a difference with breast cancer, and also with our empowerment products for domestic abuse. Okay, so we can change lives with the Avon opportunity. We can also change lives with the charities that Avon gives back to. I hope you have a great day. Who can you do something nice for today? Don't think about, okay, I need to move mountains. Think about, how can I do something to go out of my way for someone else today? Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.